Hey guys, this is Beyond Swing. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stocks that I'll be looking to trade in the upcoming week. I will explain every bit of information to you guys, like why is this on my watch list, my possible entry price, and much more. So do watch the video till the end. Now, let's get started. The first stock that is on my watch list is HCL Tech. As you guys can see, the stock is currently trading around the support zone of 1067. That is the previous all-time high. It used to be back in January 2021. So the stock is trading near its support zone. That's why I have added this on my watch list. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, you can see we are starting to see some reversal. And if I show you guys the volume as this pickup in volume as well. So I'll be looking to enter after we form our first higher high. That will be with the break of somewhere with the break of this region over here, like 1150 would be a good entry point. There will be a confirmation to this uptrend. I'll be looking for a good volume engulfing candle. The next stock that is on my watch list is Adani Ports. As you guys can see, there is a support zone forming over here with multiple rejections of the same. The price is again consolidating around the same level, and they support from 200 exponential moving average as well. So I'll be looking to enter Adani Ports with the break of this short-term trend line over here. Like we we are still in a downtrend with formation of lower highs and lower lows. Like lower high over here, lower low, another lower high, and if we break above this region over here, the price is somewhere close to 730. If you break above 730 with a good engulfing candle, I'll be looking to enter Adani Ports as well. Now, the next stock that is on my watch list is HDFC Life. There is a support zone over here at around 617 rupees. The stock is trading near its support zone. That's why it is on my watch list. Nothing special. If you take a look at the lower time frame, there's not a lot going on over here. The price is consolidating, which is essentially a positive signal that the buyers can take over anytime soon. So I'll be looking to enter with the formation of first higher high, which will happen with the break of this level over here, around 635 rupees. Like if price breaks above this level and if it retests the same, it will be another positive signal. But I'll be looking to enter with the first engulfing candle if we get the first engulfing candle over here, or else I'll be looking to trade on the retest. Now the next stock on my watch list is InfoEdge. InfoEdge has seen quite a bit of falling in the past couple of weeks, and the price is again near its support zone, that is around 4240. So over on the smaller time frame, I'll be looking for formation of first higher high, which will happen with the break of this zone over here, somewhere close to 4600 rupees. So I'll be looking to enter with the first engulfing candle over here, or again similar to HDFC Life, or I'll be looking to trade it at the retest as well. There are two types of entries, as I have explained in my earlier videos as well. Now this will be somewhat of a reduced risk entry with the formation of first higher high. Now in this case our targets are still going to be wide because we are still entering early, as this is a 1 hour time frame. Daily trend, there is not a confirmation on daily trend, which is one downside to it. Like daily trend is of course negative with formation of lower highs and lower lows. This. Now this can be a possible, we can trade up to this zone. The next stock on my watch list is Tata Alexi. I gave this trade earlier as well, somewhere over in this region over on my Instagram. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. As you guys can see, again the price is approaching the previous all-time high, that was around 6370, which should act as a support. We are already starting to see retracements, so which is a good sign, and you guys can see the volume as well. There is a little bit of volume expansion over from the previous days. So I'll be looking to enter somewhere with the break of this trend line, short-term trend line. I know this is not a good trend line, but yes, it should act as a good confirmation to my entry. Like with the break of this zone, with any new engulfing candle, I will look into buy. And the first immediate target that comes to my mind is this one, somewhere close to 7830. Yeah. The next stock that is on my watch list is Balaji Airlines. I bought this previously as well. Like somewhere over here, I book profits with this candle as I could see the market starting to fall, the overall market, the Nifty. Now, let me just correct the analysis for you guys. Flat type channel formation. The price is also taking support from the 200 exponential moving average. So that's another advantage. The entry price will be a bit higher because there's no price action over here going right now. So I will notify you guys on Instagram. I do not see any possible entry right now, but let's see. Thanks a lot guys for tuning in. Any suggestion and feedback is welcome in the comment section below. As always, I'll see you guys next week with another educational video covering stock market. Hey guys, if you're new here, you can check out my Instagram where I post regular market updates, my personal trades and stocks that I'm looking to buy. One post daily at 6 pm. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check out.